Yeah, happy new year. Hi, my name is Winnie. I am the founder and lead content creator at winnistudentworld.com, and today we are making an amazing banana bread. Tell me if you like it, and if you do and try it, tag me everywhere. Let's get cooking. The ingredients for this amazing recipe is in the description box below and also on my blog, and I'm sure you can also see it flash on the screen. The secret ingredient of this recipe really is the coffee creamer I added. I have never tried it before, and when I did, I absolutely loved it. Every other thing is pretty standard for a banana bread recipe. One thing I like about this recipe too is that it's pretty easy. Like anybody could do this without too many major ingredients. And the banana at the top is just it was amazing. Like it literally melts in your mouth. So right now I'm putting it in the oven and it's going to bake for about 60 minutes. And after 60 minutes it's ready. You can have this with coffee, tea, juice, anything, and it's just beautiful. If you try this recipe, please tag me and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.